Today we're making seafood spaghetti. My chicken breast has been cut into smaller pieces, so I'm adding my paprika, and also you can add your black pepper, and also I'm adding my onion powder and garlic powder, and you can add salt. Make sure you give it a thorough mix. In another plate, this is oyster sauce. You add your soy sauce and you thoroughly mix it together and set it aside before you put your spaghetti on the fire. So now this is the ingredients I am using for all my seafood. This is carrots, bell pepper, chicken, and now this is oil on the fire. So your chicken breast that has been seasoned, now you fry for a minimum of 3 minutes. I make sure to turn it thoroughly. This is the outcome, and then I take this out from the pot. And now I am adding chopped garlic. Chopped garlic is so essential in making this meal. It is so good. Please, you will need chopped garlic. So now you fry for a minimum of 1 minute. So this is me frying it. And also I am going to add next my carrots. The reason why I added carrots is because carrots is usually added so as to make it soft. So I fry the carrot for 2 minutes. I mix it thoroughly, and then I added a little oil here because I noticed the oil wasn't so much. So I added a little oil here, and now I am still frying. And now I am adding my bell pepper, my yellow and my red bell pepper. Now I'm adding also my mushroom. Adding mushroom to this takes the seafood to the next level. So this is me adding my soy sauce that I did. This is being added to my mix, and also I am adding my shrimp. This is fresh shrimp. It is so lovely. So add it together, give it a thorough mix, allow all this to cook for a minimum of 3 minutes. Ensure it is well cooked, and then you can add your Maggi, you can add your salt, you can add every other thing you want to add. If you want, this is me adding extra pepper here, so I added extra pepper to the food, and also your curry, your thyme, your salt. If you want to add fresh pepper, you can add your fresh pepper. It is allowed. So add all other things you know you need to make this dish go to the next level. Then I am adding my already cooked. I parboiled this spaghetti for 5 minutes. You don't need it to be all cooked. Just parboil it for 5 minutes. I bought the spaghetti that is between 5 to 7 minutes soft. So I parboiled this, and now I am pouring it here. So pour it in your pot. And the last thing is to pour in your seasoned fried chicken, and make sure you give this a good turn. This meal is so lovely. It is so nice and sweet. You can also add this to your Christmas recipe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.